We've been working in partnership with National Care Forum, or NCF, for 3 years now. They run a Rising Stars programme where people that have been identified as future leaders in the industry get paired with a mentor, and it's a year-long programme, and the idea is that it's generating more leaders and future C-suite individuals to kind of drive best practice within the care sector. Today what we've done is we have brought the Rising Stars and their mentors together to host a lunch in our dementia-friendly dining room, and what we've done is we've taken some work that we've been working with the University of Worcester to understand some of the key tenets of in the environment that can have a really kind of significant impact on those people that are living with dementia. Things like there's a clock on the wall with actual numbers so people can really easily tell the time. We also have cork placemats. Cork is really good for sound absorption. Sharp sounds can be quite bad for people that are suffering with types of dementia, and it's about kind of bringing it alive for people so they can see it through experience. And it's something that we're very keen on, that, you know, the impact on getting people to eat well is so determined not only by putting great food in front of them, but also creating an environment that's restful and peaceful, and you know, enables people to enjoy dine times in a kind of joyful manner and enjoy that socialisation aspect with other people. I think today both the mentors and the Rising Stars were really of course impressed by our great food to be proud of, but particularly impressed by the fact that we've gone the extra mile to kind of demonstrate some key dementia learnings by putting it into practice in our dining room. There's also a little bit of learning here around some of the key tenets of what you can do to maximise your space to make it, you know, much more dementia friendly.